So hello friends and welcome back to my channel Pari Activities, and today I'm going to show you my folder organizer. I hope you like it, and I will upload a video on tutorial of this organizer. In this folder organizer I have kept my stationery items. So now let's see this folder organizer and watch the full video till the end. And this type of design of this folder organizer is very unique, and this type of design first on YouTube.
The bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come away with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come away with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shit to do it here. Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shit to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. And I just have a taste from the sign. Cause you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, always we'll meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, always we'll meet again. Stop to care, we should just share love one day. Mine. We will just love like anyone, like brand new story, only ready for you and me.
If you like my today's video, then subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon that will get my all videos notifications. Bye bye.